how do you move these photos from internal storage to the SD drive in anticipation of cleaning this phone up? And I don't necessarily want these pictures on my new phone, which is what I'm using to record this with, by the way. But this is a Galaxy Note 9. This is a Galaxy S23, and I want to keep this uncluttered for as long as I can. But I kind of want these pictures. So I think I figured it out. So I'm going to move these pictures to the SD card because the Note 9 has an SD card, which is awesome. One of the reasons I love it. So go to here, these three dots, and hit select all. I think this is going to work. This will be a game changer if it does. And then go to the three dots one more time and hit move to album. Okay. Now hit create album. Okay. And when you do that, right here, there's a drop down menu. Instead of internal storage, hit SD card. Right? And then call the album old, I'm going to call it old Note 9 photos. All right, I'm doing this at an angle, so sorry about that. Hit create, and then it says it's going to move 1,072 pictures and or videos to that album. So we're obviously not going to wait for that to happen. But I think this is going to work. And then once that happens, I'll take the SD card out, put it into a card reader, and then put this into my desktop. Make sure that all of these files are transferred. I took note of the most recent one and the oldest one, and I'll look at those pictures and see if there's 1,072. I'm going to write that down. So if I have 1,072 items on my SD card, I will know that that is correct in that folder, old Note 9 photos. And then I can delete them. And I think I will have done everything that I need to do to clean up this phone. I already got the notes, and I transferred the notes. And then, yeah, so I think we got all, that's pretty much everything. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and smashing like helps me. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Oh, if you subscribe, I'll see you on the next one.